How to buy Doger token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. So before we start, and also there is a referral code, down in description. You can get free money, rewards on crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. So before going on buy this token, make sure to check the next accounts and keep following the updates about this token. So this token, it came under the symbol of Doge, D-O-G-E. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener here. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address came under the Solana network. Now open your function wallet for that. Click on some here, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here, paste the token address as you can see. Now click on it. Now here type how much you want to buy. As you can see, this is how much you receive that token. Now select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you're facing issues, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. Now after that, go and you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy Doger token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.